welcome back to yet another beautiful video. I am Ritu Singh and I wanted to share it with you guys that I really believe in 11/11 and I always wish. So I thought why not to wish together and make a beauty wish today because it's 11/11. So let's wish it together. My wish came true. You know what I wished for? I wished for makeover and here it is.
Swiss Beauty made my wish come true. It's their 11th anniversary sale and I'm getting ready for them.
Let's recreate this look using all the products from Swiss Beauty. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So the first product that I usually start with is a lip oil or a lip balm, and here I'm using deep tint lip oil in the shade 02 Dragon Fruit. I really love how hydrating it is, and at the same time it gives you that natural flush of color on your lips. I absolutely love this. Now coming on the base, I'm using their primer mousse foundation. This is the lightest mousse foundation that I've ever tried, and to blend this mousse foundation I'm going to use Swiss Beauty brush set. It's a set of 6 brushes and I will be using the foundation brush to blend my mousse foundation. This particular foundation is primer plus foundation and it blends like a dream, giving you that very subtle glow and coverage. This you can use on everyday basis and it won't feel as if you are wearing something heavy on your face, but still give you that coverage and glow. Look at that. Now to cover that pigmentation under my eyes and around my mouth and to highlight my face, I am using liquid concealer in 2 different shades. One is medium beige and second is sand sable. Medium beige I am using to cover that pigmentation around my mouth and under eyes, and then I will be blending it with the concealer brush. I love the shape of this brush because it's not too big, not too small, apt for your under eyes and around your mouth. It has a flat surface, hence it blends a concealer like a dream and you don't have to put like a lot of efforts to blend your concealer. Now coming back to the lighter shade sand sable of liquid concealer, I'm applying it to highlight my face. So I'm applying it on all the high points of my face, as you can see. Now to blend my concealer I'm going to use beauty blender, and lately I am loving using dry beauty blender for my concealer because it blends concealer really well and doesn't take the coverage as well. Now to set my whole base, because I have used cream and liquid products, I'm going to use matte makeup fixer. It doesn't add extra shine to your base, that's why I like using matte makeup fixer in between my makeup routine, and I absolutely love this one. I really love products which can be used in multiple ways. Take Me Anywhere face and eye palette is one of them, and for this I will be using the multi-purpose brush from Swiss Beauty. I'm using it to bronze my face. Now coming to 11/11, I'll tell you why it is important. Swiss Beauty is running 11th anniversary sale on their website where they are offering some amazing discounts on all the products. Also they are running 11 contests for 11 days where you can win amazing hamper. All you have to do is check their Instagram stories to participate. This is the best time to stock up all your favorites because they are running some amazing offers where you can save a lot. Now coming back to the eye makeup, I am applying concealer as my base so that my eyeshadow sits really well on it. After applying the concealer, I will be setting it with the powder and then quickly coming to the eyeshadows. I am going to create like a very rose gold type of a eye look, and for that I am using a lighter pink shade as my transition shade and applying it all over my lid. Now adding a deeper tone of pink on my crease and blending it really well. To intensify my crease a little more, I am going to add a deeper tone of brown to it. I'm doing this to enhance my eye look, and the best part of eye makeup is to apply the shimmer shade with the fingertip. I believe when you apply shimmer shade with the brush it falls more rather than when you apply it with your fingertip, and look at that pigmentation and look at that shine. Oh my god, I'm totally sold out. This palette is just love. Now to add dimension to my eye look, I'm going to use gel eyeliner. It's a 2-in-1 product where you get the eyebrow powder and a gel eyeliner. Now I will be applying the eyeliner very precisely on my lash line and then smudging it. Look at that difference. Oh my god. All the products that I have used in this videos are my favorites from Swiss Beauty, and I highly recommend you guys to buy and stock up all of these products. These are the best lipsticks in the market that are available at such price, and these are available in so many shades that you would love to buy all the shades. Now locking my makeup with their matte fixing spray, and look at the end result. Oh my god, love it.
I hope you really enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to shop from Swiss Beauty 11/11 sale. It's their 11th anniversary and they are offering some amazing discounts on their website. So don't forget to stock up your favorite Swiss Beauty product, and all the product details and links are mentioned in the description. So do check them out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.